Your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
As our mid-level cloud cover began to clear out late into the evening, you may have noticed a towering cumulonimbus cloud well off in the distance off to the north. That was one isolated thunderstorm that was passing near Madison, Wisconsin, about 60 miles north of this camera. This is our camera out in Freeport, pointed off to the north. That's brought to us by the Rockford Career College, and you can see the billowing thunderstorm off in the distance as it slowly drifted off to the east in our camera's view, also producing quite a bit of lightning late into the evening as the sun was setting. Just a gorgeous view of that thunderstorm off in the distance. Now, luckily that storm not going to impact us here into the evening. It may graze areas near Janesville, but has been on a weakening trend as of late. And you can see only a few bolts of lightning up there near Madison, and the rest of our cloud cover continues to clear this evening and will likely maintain those clear skies as we head into tomorrow as high pressure is taking hold. We may hold on to an isolated shower chance roughly toward midnight, but likely many spots will end up staying dry. That also comes with a cool down as well, as you've already noticed things feeling a bit more comfortable than where they started out the day. Down to 76 in Rockford, 73 Rochelle, 75 in DeKalb. Temperature 72 in Freeport and 71 out in Galena. Our weather watcher Terry in Genoa reporting 74 degrees, 68 at the dew point, and a calm wind at this time, along with no measurable precipitation on the day. But you notice that much calmer and cooler air mass up to the north and to the northwest, not only with the cloud cover, but also with our dew points as well. You see those dropping down into the 50s in La Crosse, Des Moines, and out in Sioux Falls. Many other spots up to the north and west, seeing that more dry air mass moving in. That's associated with that high pressure, and as that rolls overhead, we'll clear out our sky as we already have in many spots, and that will allow our temperature to continue to drop, eventually making it back down to 62 for that overnight low. A very pleasant night and a light wind out of the northwest at only about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We'll maintain that northwesterly wind going into tomorrow, and it'll still feel pretty comfortable despite the temperature rebounding to the mid 80s. It will not be accompanied by the humidity we have had over the last several days. Lots of sunshine, but that northwesterly breeze helping to keep things feeling a little bit on the cooler side. You can see that high pressure really taking hold, pushing all of our rain and clouds off to the south and to the southeast, keeping us clear as we head into tomorrow and even into the start of Wednesday as well. But unfortunately, that trend will kick back up as we head into the end of the week. This is with a ridge of high pressure that we'll be building in from the west, a pretty narrow one, but note that it is centered directly overhead late Friday evening. And that means our hottest day of the week likely will arrive on the 4th of July with temperatures returning back to the low 90s. That will also bring our rain and our storm chances back as well. So an early look at the 4th of July features temperatures that will be back up into the low 90s, likely right around 92 is our current forecast high temperatures. So the heat and humidity returning, along with that potential for some thunderstorms, especially the later into the night that we get on the 4th of July and going into Saturday. Here's a look with Futurecast. Although this is still a number of days away, this will give you an idea of how things play out. A few isolated showers and storms arrive on Thursday, and then our highest coverage likely stays mostly to the west for the majority of Friday and Friday night. But we'll have to watch a few of those as they begin to drift our direction. Highest coverage of showers and storms likely arrive as we head into Saturday and Sunday. That doesn't mean there's a completely 0% chance on Friday. Still looking at that potential for an isolated shower or storm, but it will be hot and humid, 92 degrees. 84 still comfortable for Tuesday, up to 87 on Wednesday, then 88, low 90s as we head into the early part of the weekend. Highest coverage of those showers and storms likely Saturday into Sunday.